Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best in modern design, function, and luxury for your home. Today's spotlight is on the best chandelier crystal modern dining room fixture currently available. An eye-catching centerpiece that perfectly blends elegance with contemporary charm. The AXILIXI rectangular crystal chandelier. Imagine walking into your dining space and being immediately captivated by a stunning, linear-formed shimmering in layered K9 crystals. This isn't just any light fixture. It's a statement. The AXILIXI chandelier brings a high-end designer look straight into your home, transforming even the simplest room into a glamorous retreat. The structure is crafted in a clean rectangular shape, adorned with two concentric layers of crystal prisms. These K9 crystals are not only top-grade, they are cut at multiple angles and precisely polished. Whether the light is on or off, you get a dazzling sparkle from every angle. During the day, natural light dances through the crystals, and at night, the chandelier becomes a glowing sculpture above your dining table or kitchen island. With a width of 33 inches and a height of 15.4 inches, this chandelier is the perfect size for medium to large dining rooms, foyers, or even luxurious stairwells. It weighs in at 40 pounds, so it feels substantial and premium, not flimsy or cheap. The adjustable metal chain adds even more versatility, extending up to 39.4 inches, so you can hang it higher or lower based on your ceiling height and room layout. The frame features a sleek chrome finish, which adds to its modern appeal and complements the sparkle of the crystals. It's the kind of piece that guests notice and remember. Now let's talk about lighting. This chandelier supports dimmable functionality, so if you install it with a compatible dimmer switch and dimmable E12 light bulbs, up to 40 watts each, you can instantly set the mood. You're in control of the ambiance. Installation is made easier with clear instructions and adjustable chain length, allowing you to tailor the look to your unique space. And the layered crystal design means this isn't just a fixture, it's a customizable element of your interior design. The AXILIXI has also backed this piece with a 1-year warranty and 30-day return or exchange policy. So you're not just buying a chandelier, you're making a secure investment in your home's atmosphere. To sum it up, the AXILIXI rectangular crystal chandelier is more than a lighting fixture. It's a centerpiece, it's modern luxury, and it's hands down the best chandelier crystal modern dining room fixture you can bring home today. That's all for this episode of Product Critique. If you're looking to elevate your space with a touch of crystal glamour, this one deserves a place on your shortlist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home design recommendations that deliver both style and function. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.